In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe payment links in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur looking to streamline payments, this is a simple and effective way to handle transactions online. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First off, open your web browser and navigate to the Stripe website. If you haven't already, take a moment to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Once you're there, locate the sign in button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it. This will direct you to the Stripe login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure your credentials are filled in correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your information, click on the sign in button to proceed. Stripe is likely to ask for a verification code to enhance your account security. This code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. Keep an eye out for it. Enter it when prompted, and hit verify. Successfully signing in will bring you to the Stripe dashboard. Let's now head over to the home section, which easily provides a comprehensive view of your account activities. From here, navigate to the Payments tab to access the payment-related options. Stripe's interface is quite user-friendly, so navigating through these sections should be relatively easy. Once you're in the Payments section, find and click on Payment Links. This takes you to a dedicated area where you can create and manage your payment links. To create a new payment link, click on the Add Product option. This is where you'll select the products or services you want to offer to your customers. After selecting the appropriate products, check out the options available for customization. You can tailor these to fit your business needs. Don't forget to explore the advanced options for more detailed customization. Here, you can set specific terms, quantities, or even offer discounts that enhance the sales experience for your customers. Make sure you've chosen all the relevant preferences before proceeding to the next step. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on Pay, follow the prompts, and then finally click on Create Link. Congratulations, you have successfully created your payment link. To access the newly created link, click on Payment Link, and there you have it, your unique Stripe payment link ready to be shared with customers. We've successfully set up a Stripe payment link in just a matter of minutes. You can now share this link with customers through email, social media, or any other communication channels you utilize. This simple process allows you to efficiently manage payments, making your operations smoother and more effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.